habitat find of the day. We have 52-inch Harbor Breeze. Oh man, I don't know the name of it. Something Island. I'll remember in a minute, watch. But 52-inch fan. This is for sale on eBay right now. It is reversible to cane on the top, as you can see. Clearance on this thing is not the best because it's only up here for temporarily for pictures and a demonstration. Let's see if I pick the blade up anymore. It'll hit. But let's start this thing on. So just put this tripod back down. Come on, stupid thing. Alright, the blades are a little droopy on this thing, but start on light. I got this thing 100% complete. View. I didn't come with the light bulb actually. That's not how I'm using it. I'm using a different light bulb. Just test this. I don't know if the bulb works. It does. I just tested it. It does. Alright. Well, besides this fan being a smushed emperor, turn on again. It's man, I can't remember the name of this thing, but it is very close to hitting the ceiling. So to prevent it, I'm gonna turn it on high. Turn it on high real quick. And here's high. Oh, wait. Alright, let's turn it off. And the Concorde is going to go right back up in place because it's assembled right now. It's just sitting on the floor. Ready to be put back up. Actually, no. I should put something else up for fun. I have nothing better to do. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll make a video on something else that I haven't filmed yet. Anyway, there's another shot of it off.